I'm going to share with you how do you protect your Facebook from hackers. So you need to put in a two-factor authentication. So how do you do that? So first of all, log into your Facebook account, and then of course of logging into your Facebook account, you can go to the settings. Of course, all of you knows how to go to the settings. So we'll go to our menu part, and then of course from our menu part we can easily go to the settings. So you go to the settings of your page or your account. So we go to our settings, and then in the settings you click on the password and security. So on the settings, you'll click on this button here of password and security. That one there, password and security. So after clicking password and security, you'll be led to a page looking like this. So we have clicked on password and security. You'll be led to a page looking like this, or what you call the action center. So when this page appears here, what you need to do is just click on the password and security one more time. So we are going to click on password and security one more time. And then when you're on the password and security, you click on this part here called two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication. So when you click on that button there, two-factor authentication, it will ask you to choose your account. So like in this case, let's say your Instagram is linked with your Facebook, so we want to start with Facebook. So we click on Facebook first. Then it will ask us to enter the current password of your account. So you will enter your current password of your account. So allow me pause the video so that I can put in my password, because I'm not willing to change this password anytime soon. So I'll put. Okay, so after putting in your current password for Facebook, you click on continue. So when you click on continue, you'll be led to the next page, which is this one here. So how do you get login codes? So you choose the one which is recommended here is an authentication app. So actually this app can be on another phone, maybe not yours, but it can also be on the same phone you are using. Or you can also use maybe a phone number. So maybe if you put in your phone number, whenever you try to log in, after putting in your password, you'll be requested a code will be sent to that number automatically, and you have to enter the code after the password. So in this case, let's say we are using the authentication app. So we go ahead here and choose authentication app. So let's say this option here, and it is the best one that is recommended, the authentication app. You can see it is recommended there. So we click it, and when you click it, it will ask you to build in or to install an authentication app. So like in this case, I'm supposed to put in this code on my authentication app. So what we're going to do, you can easily, let's try copying this code. So it's like you cannot copy it, so we can copy the code. So I've copied the code. Then we go to the authentication app. So this is my authentication app. So on my authentication app here, I will go ahead and then I click add. So I'll click on add, then I click on enter setup key. So the setup key, the account name, let's say this is my main account. So I can say this is my main account. Let's say like an example like that, and then I will put in my key, that one there, an example, and then I click on add. Then of course TMSFB, so the current code of this account, like an example, is let's say it is 629.847, 629.847. So we'll come here and then I click on next, and then you'll be asked to put in a code so that we can link our account to the code itself. So the code is 629.847. So we come here and click type 629.847. Then we click next. Then when you click next, automatically the two-factor authentication is now on. So you'll see every time now we have three options. Like on see, there is authentication app, you get a code from the authentication app. There is also the case of a phone number. So you have now secure your Facebook. So the next time you want to log in, you'll be asked to put in a code which will be sent either through the app. So whenever you're logging in, just come into this app and you'll be enter. This code always change after every 30 seconds. So you don't need to worry. Somebody saying, oh, some people are seeing your code. No. This code will be changing after 30 minutes. So the next thing you're going to do, because I've recorded this audio, I'm going to change the code or the security key which you had seen here when I was linking, so that nobody can put in that code on their app and access my account. So that is how to enable the two-factor authentication. The same thing you will do on Instagram. So the same way, if you are supposed to change in the one for our Instagram, we could just click Instagram, or assume you are using the Instagram app. So if I was using the Instagram app, let's say this is your Instagram account and we want to secure our account, or we put in the two-factor authentication. So we got into our Instagram account. Then when we are on Instagram, you press your profile, The profile is here, so you press your profile. Just a minute. So this is our profile. So you press your profile. Your profile, you can see it on the down part there. On the down part, the bottom right corner, you can see your profile. So you go to our profile, and when you go to our profile, you go ahead and click on settings. So you click the menu here. So when you click the menu, you can see the settings and privacy. So you go ahead and click on settings and privacy. It is there. So when you click to settings and privacy, it will take you to this part. So now when we are here on the settings and privacy, you go to account center here. That is there, the account center. So when you click account center, it will open for you this page here, the account center. Now you will click on password and security, just like we are done in Facebook. So you click on password and security, just like we are done on Facebook. When you click on password and security, it will lead you to this part here, and you just click the same way you click on two-factor authentication. So you just click on two-factor authentication, it will lead you to this area here. Now in this case, just like we are done in Facebook, now we choose Instagram. So now when we choose Instagram, it will ask you, see, you choose Instagram here, choose the Instagram one, not the Facebook one. So after choosing that, it will lead us to the next step. Now in the next step here, you can see maybe it is telling us the page not available. Let's just check it one more time. Maybe it was an internet connection. So we'll do it one more time, two-factor authentication, and then we choose Instagram. Good, that one here. So when you are here, you can choose how do you want to get in the login app or the login code, and you can see we have the authentication right now. We had selected, or we had chosen the authentication app, so we had set it up. But if we had not set it up, we could have just clicked here, the authentication app there, and then we go to the next step. Now in the next step, you can see the authentication app is there. If I wanted to add another one, you just add and the code will be sent, just like we have done in Facebook. That is how to secure your accounts. Go ahead, secure your accounts now to avoid hackers, because some people are using brute force, which is a software that can guess your password. They can easily guess your password, but if you have a two-factor authentication, they cannot guess the second code. So this is to protect your account. All my accounts are protected. Yes. So comment below, what have you learned? Consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Share this video with a friend. Let's protect our accounts from hackers. I know this video, the hackers really hate it, but we just have to protect our accounts. So see you in the next video. TJ George, TMS.